What's good, YouTube? Welcome. We're checking this out on twitch.tv/Dre Gaming. We just played some Mario Kart. It was crazy. Sometimes I be playing with my chat and everything. I got to play with my friend Justin. But right now, F all that. If you want to go check out my Twitch, go check it out. Check out the Patreon if you haven't already. Link in the description. We're going to check out. AT just came out with Adrenaline, the Adrenaline official MV. I haven't checked out any of the teasers. And I'm already getting warned by some of my chat saying that Hong Jun looking good and stuff. My God. Well, without further ado, AT's Adrenaline official MV. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Pow! 4:20. I mean, 4 minutes and 20 seconds. That's a long ass MV. Oh Lord. Oh, are we going to war? Oh, it's about to be hype, huh? What the hell? The car? You said what? What? Pull up the bass. Okay. What's your taste? Oh, he look badass. He look like Snake, Metal Gear Solid type shit. I'm ready to 파밍은 최고치 한번 들면 양스트레이 no therapy 제로 백박 차고 나와 get a Z 우린 시작처럼 움직여 guarantee 안 떨어져 not the left out of control ooh I like when he. Oh, son, you built like that? Oh hell nah. Oh hell nah. What we feeling? What we going through your veins? The adrenaline? Dude, that scar on his eyebrow go crazy. Oh my God, no wonder they're there. Oh, okay. This is something to see live. All right. Oh my God. Knowing at an 80s concert, it's gonna get wild. Well, damn, Mingy. What the hell the flashing for? Oh my God, these outfits. Oh God, here we go. Damn, Spartan kicked all of them. Oh, he's serving. He always serving. He looking like a mafia daddy. Oh, you going through it? It's going through your veins? I can feel it go running through my veins. Damn, I got adrenaline now. How this got more adrenaline in me than playing a Mario Kart match? Duh. We're pumping adrenaline. Duh. Okay. His hair slick, son. It's so nice. Damn. Oh, we having a you got serve battle right now. Your turn. Hey. Oh. Oh my God. Okay, he need to chill. I got a fur coat with no shirt on. I swear to God. Wait, what'd he say? Hand me my trophy. He talking. Oh, that's not my floor, I guess. God damn. Is some behind? Oh, what? Oh, this is my floor, I guess. Is that a Jello? What is that? Oh. What's forming? Oh. Exploded? God damn. Ooh, another MV soon. Yo. Nah. Some hype ass song for real, chat. The album's already out too, Kiki? Iconic. His visual right here. I mean, his visual always, but my God, love this. I don't know, something about that eye patch and the hair. It's like, it's simple, but it's not simple. It's attacking. All right, y'all on YouTube, put in the comments down below what you guys think of ATEEZ's comeback. I haven't checked out the album just of yet. Might have to check it out soon, maybe on Patreon. A touch of Big Boss. Big Boss from Metal Gear Solid, right? Big Boss. Oh, Ghost? Ghost? You said Ghost is so good? That's it for today's reaction. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video. Peace. NASA. NASA, bro. Hold up. That gave me chills, my guy.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gaming. I'm there every day.